Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smartboard feeder camera won't turn on, it can seem like the device has completely stopped working. You may press the power button and nothing happens, no indicator light, no startup sound, and no response in the mobile app. Fortunately, this doesn't always mean the camera has failed. A drained battery, charging problem, frozen system, or loose battery connection can all prevent the camera from powering up. Before considering a replacement, it's worth going through a few simple checks that often bring the camera back to life. In this video, I'll show you the steps you can try to get your smart bird feeder camera turning on again. Number 1. Charge the camera for at least 30-60 minutes before testing it. 2. Use a different charging cable and power adapter to rule out charging issues. 3. Press and hold the power button for 10-15 seconds to force a restart. 4. Inspect the charging port and remove any dirt or debris carefully. 5. Perform a hardware reset if the camera still shows no response. 6. Power on the camera again and check for the status light or startup tone